Smooth sailing. What first-time cruisers need to know. Cruising can be an incredibly rewarding vacation experience. With so many options available, from ship size and itinerary to activity offerings and price points, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Start by looking in the mirror. Who are you? What would you like to do on a ship? Eat, work out, relax, dance, swim, sunbathe. And what do you want to do off the ship? Go sailing, ride horses, shop, explore, or maybe not get off the ship at all? Once you understand who you are in relation to a cruise, you can pick a better cruise for you. Knowing where you're going can help you and your travel professional narrow down cruise lines, especially after you have that talk about the elephant in the room, how much you're willing to pay. With a little planning, some smart packing, and travel protection from Generali Global Assistance, you're all set for the vacation of a lifetime. Want to learn more? Read the complete blog here. Follow us for more travel tips at Generali Travel.